Ever heard of Schrödinger's cat? No, it's not a feline magician, but a thought experiment that'll blow your mind. Picture this: a cat inside a box with a vial of poison triggered by a quantum event. Until you open the box, the cat is both alive and dead simultaneously. Crazy, right? Welcome to the quirky world of quantum mechanics. Now, let's talk about the double-slit experiment. Imagine shooting tiny particles through two slits. Instead of creating two lines, they form an interference pattern, suggesting that particles can behave like waves. It's as if they're playing hide and seek with us, revealing their mysterious dual nature. But wait, there's more. Quantum entanglement is like a cosmic connection between particles, where changing one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. It's like having a telepathic link with your quantum buddy across the universe. Spooky action at a distance indeed. Now, let's dive into the practical side. Quantum mechanics isn't just for theoretical physicists, it's the backbone of modern technology. From superfast quantum computers to unbreakable quantum encryption, this science fiction-like realm is becoming our reality faster than you can say, quantum leap. Think of it this way: if classical physics is a smooth jazz concert, then quantum mechanics is a wild rock concert with unexpected solos and mind-bending riffs. It's the rebellious teenager of the scientific world, breaking all the rules and leaving us in awe. So, next time you hear about quantum mechanics, remember it's not just about equations and formulas. It's a mind-bending adventure into the unknown, where cats can be both alive and dead, particles can act like waves, and entangled twins defy the laws of physics. Strap in, folks, because the quantum roller coaster is about to take you on a wild ride through the fascinating world of the very, very small.